So yun guys, good morning. So yun guys, kaka-out ko lang sa duty. So yun guys, kamusta kayo? Ngayon na lang ulit nakapag-vlog kasi walang masyadong gala. So ito is meron na naman kaming family day. So yun, samahan nyo kami guys sa aming family day trip and more on ganap. Bali ngayon is pupunta kami ng ng BGC para meron gala-gala lang din. Basta samahan nyo lang kami sa aming aming gala, sa ganap ng aming gala ngayon. So yan, dyan lang kayo guys at sasakay lang kami. Kita-kits tayo.
One eternity later.
So yun guys, welcome back. So guys, nandito kami sa pantry sa office ni Lamahan. So yan, magpapabaksin muna kami din. After nito, kain din, punta ng BGC. Basta samahan nyo lang kami sa aming family day trip, sa aming gala. So dyan lang kayo.
Many tic-tacs later.
So yun guys, welcome back. So yun guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Jollibee Star Mall. So yun, dito kami kakain kasi nagbabakasakali kami ni CJ na makakuha pa rin kami ng BD cards. Sobrang bilis niyang maubos at ang hirap maganap. So yun, and share ko lang din yung yung bagong sa Dunkin Donuts. So yun, yung pillows. Bali siya pumili ka ng any drinks tapos dagdag ka ng 249 para dito sa pillow. Then ang ganda niya, and dagdag na naman sa kwarto. So dyan lang kayo guys at kakain muna kami.
Moments later.
So yun guys, finally. Tagal namin itong maghanap. Dito lang pala sa Star Mall Show. Punta na kayo dito. At hanggat meron pa guys. Ayun, so mamaya gagawa ko siya ng TikTok video para meron din akong entry. So abangan nyo lang sa akin TikTok account. So yan guys, welcome back. So yan guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa MRT. Yan. Then bababa kami ngayon ng Ayala papunta ng BGC. Sasamahan niyo kami sa aming adventure. Tara na boy! So yun guys, so pasakay na kami ng BGC bus. So nandito kami sa Ayala. So samahan nyo lang ka sa aming family day gala trip. So dyan lang kayo.
don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know.
So yun guys, welcome back. So yun guys, nandito na kami sa BGC. So samahan nyo kami sa aming moment dito. And tamang montage lang. So dyan lang kayo. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa BGC Mall. Pang malakasan ng mga mall dito guys. So, yun lang. So, sumahan nyo lang kami.
Much later.
So yun guys, nandito kami sa yun nga, may BGC. So yun, yun nakita nyo naman ng aming family ganap. So yun guys, salamat sa pagsama. So dito ko na lang muna tatapusin ng aking video vlog. So yun guys, after nyo mapanood ng video to, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like o subscribe para mas update sa aking mga vlog ganap. So hanggang dito lang muna, bye bye, stay safe.
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange,